Welcome to JazzTime. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about the Hublot Spirit of Big Bang Skeleton Index Ceramic Bezel Titanium Leather Strap 45mm, model number 601.NM.0173.LR. The case, as I said earlier, is 45mm in diameter. However, that is a very conservative estimate because actual measurements tend to measure a bit larger because of the chronograph pushers, the crown, and all this extra bracing on the sides. But according to Hublot, this is a 45mm with set and finished titanium. The bezel, as well, is also set and finished, polished and microblasted with black ceramic and with 6 H-shaped titanium screws, as is typical of the Hublot brand. The sapphire crystal protects the skeleton dial, completing the body on both sides and allowing the case to be water resistant down to only 100 meters or 330 feet. As with any sapphire crystal, it is scratch resistant and also has applied anti-reflection treatments to allow the wearer to see into the internal mechanisms and to tell the time much more easily. Looking at the case from the side, however, notice that it is also curved, allowing for easier wearing on the wrist. The dial, at least the parts that are not specifically part of the movement, are also made of sapphire, allowing more focus on the movements behind the hands. The index hour markers are also located at the periphery of the movement area, making them very easy to read, as opposed to being overlaid on top of the movement, making them a little bit more difficult to read. There's a small seconds dial at the 9 o'clock position, with the chronograph dials at the 3 and 6 hour positions for 30 minutes and 12 hours respectively. The date window is located between the 4 and 5 o'clock positions, as you can see, outlined in red, and the date numbers themselves are visible at any time around the movement. As you can see, the date continues all the way around. The crown contains the Hublot logo and is located between the chronograph pushers, which function as you would expect. The pushers feel solid and robust when pressed, which is fitting with the watch's shapes and textures. The bracelet is alligator leather on the outside and rubber on the inside to combine both comfortable wear and a distinguished look. The buckle is a titanium deployment buckle clasp, allowing you to hide any excess strap once you have found a good fit for your wrist. The most important part of this timepiece would be the movement. It has the Hub 4700 self-winding skeleton chronograph movement, the successor to the El Primero caliber, the first chronograph with an integrated style automatic winding from 1969, equipped with a 5 Hz frequency or 36,000 alternations per hour, with an accuracy of 1/10 of a second. The Hub 4700 expands on this and is equipped with a silicon regulating element to ensure precise performance and reliability with the skeleton casing. The power reserve is 50 hours, so you can set this down fully wound, pick it up 2 days later at around the same time, and it'll be keeping track of time just fine. Alright, and to try this watch on, as I mentioned earlier, the case's curvature naturally follows my wrist much more nicely, and it feels very comfortable, and it also prevents the lugs from catching onto any long sleeves. Not that that's ever really been an issue with any other watch that I've reviewed, but that peace of mind is good to have. So who exactly is this watch for? This case is large and also full of tiny details, good for showing off if you're into technical details or simply into over-the-top level aesthetics. This is for anybody who doesn't mind having a little extra on their wrist in terms of size, and the titanium construction keeps this timepiece nice and light on the wrist at the same time. So what are your thoughts on this timepiece? Do you like the skeletonized dials and being able to see all the watch movements directly from the face and from the case back? Or does this look a little too much to you? Does it look more like a toy than a timepiece? Well, maybe is that what you're looking for? Let us know down in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you want this or any other watch, visit us in our online store at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.